Imagine getting into your four-wheel drive truck or SUV and turning the key only to find the engine refuses to start, or your front axle won't engage when you need it most. If you have scanned your system and found code P0818, this is likely your problem. This code is defined as Driveline disconnect switch input circuit malfunction. It is specific to vehicles with automatic all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive transmissions. The heart of this system is the transfer case neutral safety switch, also known as the shift selector switch. This switch tells the computer when the transfer case is in neutral, which effectively disconnects the driveline. The powertrain control module or PCM monitors the voltage coming from this switch whenever the ignition is on. If the computer does not see the correct voltage signal indicating the position of the transfer case, it assumes there is a malfunction and triggers the check engine light. This is a severe code because it can actually prevent your vehicle from starting if the system cannot verify that the transmission is safe to operate. Symptoms include a no-start condition, the front axle failing to lock into four-wheel drive, or sometimes the engine starting even when the transmission is in gear, which is very dangerous. The most common causes are a defective neutral safety switch, shorted wiring in the transfer case circuit, or a loose connector. Troubleshooting this requires a bit of patience and the right tools, specifically a digital volt ohmmeter and your vehicle's specific wiring diagram. You need to locate the transfer case neutral safety switch and test the input voltage with the shifter in various positions. Typically, you are looking for battery voltage when the switch is activated and a ground signal when it is deactivated. If the switch does not give you these readings, it is likely dead and needs to be replaced. If the switch tests fine, you then need to move along the wiring harness to check for breaks or shorts leading back to the PCM app. Since this involves the drive system and potential starting issues, if you do not find a simple wiring fault or a bad switch, it is best to consult a professional mechanic to avoid leaving yourself stranded or damaging the transfer case electronics. Further,